Granted. Now see, you consider this as a one circle of radius r. Alright? We are starting from point A, moving towards point B, then C, then D, and back to point A. Alright? The journey starts from point A to B, C, D, and back to point A. So these are the given data to us, and we need to find the path length and the displacement for case 1, A to B, for case 2, A to C, for case 3, A to D, and for case 4, A to A. बराबर? चलिए, क्या होगा आप लोग मुझे गाइड कीजिएगा। ये ए बी, फिर ए बी सी, ए बी सी डी, एंड ए बी सी डी ए, A B, A B C, A B C D, A B C D A. For this 4 different paths, we need to find out path length and displacement. चलिए, हेल्प करेगा क्या कोई मुझे? कोई हेल्प करेगा? बोलो, कोई हेल्प करेगा? A to B, A to B. What will be the path length and displacement?
सर पाथ लेंथ होगी 2πr/4 और डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा मतलब वही पाथ लेंथ ही होगी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी सेम होगा।
पाथ लेंथ और डिस्प्लेसमेंट दोनों सेम हो गए सर, पर ये आपको कैसे पता चला कि पाथ लेंथ इज 2πr/4?
सर circumference divided by 4.
Very good, very good. Correct answer. Yes, dear students. See, for first case, that is AB, for path AB, if I want to find out path length, so path length means it is traveling in this path. देखिए, ये रेड कलर का स्पॉटलाइट है ना, वो पाथ लेंथ हो गया, दिखा आपको? तो सर्कल की पेरिफेरी पर जाए. That means we are moving on the circumference of a circle, and we are not completing one entire circle. We are not completing one rotation. But we are completing 1/4 of the circumference now. 1/4 of the circumference. So if we talk about path length, so path length is nothing but 1/4 of the circumference. All of you followed this, please reply. All of you followed this, please reply. So 1/4 of 2πr means 1/4 of 2πr means πr/2. πr/2. But what is displacement? So displacement का आंसर देव भाई wrong था. How to find out displacement? Over here, there will be second definition used for displacement. Say I give you two definitions. Yes, बोलो.
√2r will be the displacement.
और वो कैसे फाइंड किया आपने?
सर पाइथागोरस लगाया, पहले ए बी पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ की, बाद में पाइथागोरस लगाया.
And which formula, that means which definition you have used or which approach you have used for calculating displacement?
The displacement is the shortest distance.
Exactly. Say I give the displacement two definition. I give two definitions of displacement. Number one, displacement is nothing but change in position over a time interval. And the second definition was shortest path in a straight line. Shortest path in a straight line. So over here, shortest path in a straight line concept will use. So I'm joining initial and final position in a straight line. That means I am joining A and B in a straight line. A and B in a straight line. So say point O. Can I say from point O to B? The distance is known as radius. Similarly, from point O to A is also known as a distance. That is a radius. So can I say OB and OA? OB and OA is equals to radius R. OB is equals to OA is equals to radius R. OB equals to OA equals to radius R. So as you can see, this as a right angle triangle, OAB. Can you say OAB as a right angle triangle? And this as a right angle corner. तो राइट एंगल कॉर्नर के सामने वाला साइड तो हाइपोटेनस होता है, राइट एंगल कॉर्नर के सामने वाला साइड तो हाइपोटेनस होता है. So how to find out hypotenuse with the help of a Pythagoras theorem? So the distance D is equals to AB, which is equals to root of OA square plus OB square. So therefore D is equals to root of R square plus R square. R square plus R square. That will be root of 2R square, which will give you root 2R. So these are the two answers. First answer is pi r by 2 and second answer is root 2R. Path length answer is pi r by 2 while displacement answer is root 2R. Note down this much. And anyone having any doubt in this portion, please ask your doubt. कोई भी doubt है तो पूछो. Meanwhile, I read the chat box. अच्छा, वेदांत ने पहले दोनों आंसर सेम लिखे थे. Yes, completed. Sure. Completed. I got reply from 5 participants. What about others?
एपिक में काउंटर स्कोप को स्कोप ये लोग पर बड़ा बनने के लिए ऊपर में मीटिंग करवानी है
चले तो फिर नेक्स्ट सेकेंड पाथ, कैलकुलेट पाथ लेंथ एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट फॉर ए बी सी। क्या आएगा आंसर बताइए। चलिए पाथ लेंथ का आंसर करेक्ट है नक्षत्र का, डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी करेक्ट है नक्षत्र का। चलिए गुड, वेरी गुड। Yes, Vedant is also correct. नहीं देव, दोनों आंसर्स इक्वल नहीं होंगे। आर्या और पाथ लेंथ आंसर इज करेक्ट, डिस्प्लेसमेंट आंसर इज रॉन्ग। आर्या का पाथ लेंथ करेक्ट है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट रॉन्ग है। देव का दोनों का आंसर, अच्छा देव का अभी सही है। सो नक्षत्र, वेदांत एंड देव, these three give the correct answer. What about others? चलिए यस, साक्षी का पाथ लेंथ इज करेक्ट। नहीं समझ में आया देवम भाई आपका डाउट, क्या पूछ रहे हो आप?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा है?
सेकंड, एबीसी सीक्वेंस ही है ना, फर्स्ट हो गया तो अभी सेकंड एबीसी के लिए ढूंढना है। यस, किसी तक का पाथ लेंथ आंसर भी करेक्ट है।
मेरा मुला नहीं मेरा बोला आगे मत यार
चलिए तो मैं स्टार्ट करवा देता हूँ अभी आपको। Yes, path length is, we are starting from A to C. A to C. Bara means we have traveled half of the circumference. Half of the circumference. So 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. 2 cancel. So path length answer is pi r. But what is displacement? The displacement is nothing but shortest path in a straight line. Shortest path in a straight line. So you join initial and final position. That means you need to join A and C point in a straight line. And if I join A and C in a straight line, can I say that is nothing but diameter of a circle? Yes or no? Can I say AC is nothing but diameter of the circle? And what is diameter? 2r. What is diameter of a circle? Twice the radius. So these are the two answers. Write down. Complete the second question. And if you have completed the second, proceed with third question. थर्ड क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे भेजो, क्या आता है देखते हैं, फिर मैं करवाता हूँ. Yes, Nakshatra, your path length answer is correct. Good. Then calculate displacement. नक्षत्र को दिया. Yes. So for path A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, when we move from A to B, that is pi r by 2.
IR answer.
Just a minute. Then B to C is again pi r by 2. C to D is also pi r by 2. So total path length, total distance travel is 3 times pi r by 2. So answer is 3 pi r by 2. And when we talk about displacement, you join initial and final position in a straight line. Join initial position and final position in a straight line. So that is similar to case 1 displacement, which is nothing but hypotenuse of a triangle OAD. OAD का hypotenuse हो जाएगा, again that will be root 2r. Again that will be root 2r. चले, तो now we proceed with the last path, A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. Yes, देवन भाई, क्या बोल रहे थे, बोलिए. A, B, C, D,
सर
A
इसका
के.
पाथ लेंथ 2 पाई आर होगा, 4 into पाई अपॉन.
हाँ, correct. That is circumference of the circle, correct. But what is displacement? So path length is 2 pi r. But what is displacement?
0.
सॉरी सॉरी
0
अरे यार ऐसा मत करो, सारे सम सॉल्व करने के बाद आखिर में आंसर आप 0 बोलते हो यार, ऐसा क्यों चीटिंग करते हो, क्यों 0 आया जी, रीजन क्या 0 आने का?
initial point and final point are same.
Exactly, say initial and final position is same, so displacement is nothing but final position minus initial position. If both the positions are same, then displacement will be 0. Displacement will be 0. Complete this 4 parts and please mark this as important question. No doubt ये extra मैंने पूरा करवाया है, लेकिन इसके हर एक individual parts competitive exams में पूछते हैं यार, so most important. Write down. Yes, Nakshatra, now you can stop the recording.